This is a DeVILBISS air compressor type 501. Seems to be an old, maybe. Seems to operate okay. I have a switch right here, and when I first got it, it was looked like it had been stored away for quite a while. But I oiled it up a little bit with a few silicone and put some household oil down in a little tube there. So it seems to start okay. Seems to be all right. I'm going to shut it off again here. Took the cover off. So it seems to start up. First it was frozen up, and then here again, like I said, I put some oil on it and stuff like that. It's got a little, let's see over here, ow. You gotta be careful, hit that. But it's good air coming out of here, okay, so it seems to be in working order. I'll leave it at that. I'll go get a little bandage for my finger.